What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's job behind me is a 1 litre TSI Audi A3. As you can see, it already looks a little bit boring on the back. It is not really sporty, but today we're going to change that. Customers brought it in. We're doing a quad exit backbox delete. It supplied this diffuser, which is from CT Carbon. Never fitted a diffuser from these guys before, so I will give you a review on that, let you know what it fits like. If it fits terrible, I'll tell you. If it fits amazing, I'll also tell you. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're going to fit that. We're doing a quad exit backbox delete, 4-inch quad tips either side. We're going to make this look like an S3, something a little bit more sporty. And because it's a petrol, we will get some sound increase. So let's get to it. Let's see what difference it makes. So we've been a small engine, got a fixed rear axle, comes over here into a nice straight. I'm going to be honest with you guys, as long as this diffuser fits, this is a creme de la creme job for us, nice and easy. We'll cut it there. I'll make a 2-to-1 split, we'll clamp it to that. It is literally 90 degree to tailpipes, 90 degree to tailpipe. The exhaust side of things is that easy, but it all rides down to this diffuser. If the diffuser fits like ass, then it obviously ruins its job a little bit. So if this diffuser clips straight in, we're on for a nice easy day today, boys. So shape-wise, looks like it's roughly the right shape. Obviously this one did have a cutout for a removable tow bar, which the new one hasn't. Luckily the car hasn't got a tow bar anyway, because it's a 1 litre and it probably has all on pulling itself down the road, never mind anything else. Let's have a look then, see if she fits.
640 horse. Leach skin up nice pudding that, wasn't it?
There we go, so I'm happy with that. That clipped in fairly decent, a little bit in the middle where we were struggling. I think that was more our fault than it was diffusers. So yeah, that clipped in lovely, to be fair. Shout out CT Carbon for that. Maybe I'll send you guys an email, get on board with a bit of affiliation as well, seeing as Carbon Factory already support us a little bit. We do a lot of exhaust, so maybe I'll just send you guys an email. But yeah, anybody looking to buy CT Carbon, one for these, fits lovely. Don't be shy, get it bought. And I've just showed you how to fit it. Right, let's get cracking, do exhaust. So, with it being a 1 litre, the bore size on the exhaust is tiny. So we've had to just make these little reducers here. What's going to bring us down from 2.5 inch to 2 inch. Because that's what we're working. We were working in 2 inch, that's what the factory exhaust size is. These are obviously designed to go on much bigger bore tubes. So we have to make a simple reducer like that to bring them down to size. I've done one, I'm going to get other one now. S3, but a 1 litre version. We'll see what it sounds like. Oh, it's got a little bit of reverb. Better have a little warm up and we'll get you some revs and I might even take it out for a drive. Depending on how good it sounds. If it sounds pathetic and I probably won't bother. There we go, choke's gone off. And yeah, if it sounds pathetic, I probably won't bother. If it's got a bit of go about it, I might take it out for a spin for you. So unfortunately this one's not going to be worthy of a road test. I'll be honest, there ain't much point. There's not a lot of noise there at all. Driving that off road, you're going to have a tiny verbal. If anything, there's going to be no excitement, there's going to be no drama, so it's a bit of a waste of time for me to take it. I almost guarantee there'll be no drone or anything like that. It's still fairly quiet. But there you go. If you've got a 1 litre and you want the S3 look, that's what you need to do.